So thank you for coming to my channel. Today I want to talk about business model, and I want to talk about a business model and also give a practical example of my cleaning business, a cleaning business that I started using this model in 2017. The business has grown, but actually what I really wanted to do when I was starting that business was to test this model and see whether it is a model that can work. Now, the idea of starting a cleaning business came into my mind actually because of the challenges that I underwent in my own house or where I live, basically because of lack of cleaning businesses nearby. And therefore, I thought it was good for me to actually try and see whether it was an opportunity that can be utilized. So my cleaning business was actually to target the owners of people who had actually built new houses and they wanted them to be washed before they are occupied. I also targeted the apartment dwellers living nearby, especially people who had blankets, who have carpets, who have cars, and all these other things, and also clothes. I also was targeting bachelors and spinsters. These are people who are not yet married, because I thought that when it comes to washing clothes and also bed sheets and beddings would be a big issue. And I also targeted mama fua, people looking for this work of washing other people's clothes. I thought that I would make a very good base for them to actually come for the work there. Now, my channel of taking the product to the customer. Okay, before I go to the channel, the value proposition actually, or the benefit that I wanted to give my customer is a convenient, efficient, and cost-effective washing bay or a washing place where these people could bring their carpets, they would bring their clothes, they would also bring their cars, they would also bring their blankets, the duvets, and they be washed in a nearby place. They be aired, and from that they would get good services from me. So my channel was very simple, just having a local cleaning bay and also a Facebook page. And my customer relationship would be very easy. This one is face-to-face. It was face-to-face because of a local cleaning bay, a place, and also online because of a Facebook page. The activities actually that I wanted to do in this cleaning bay was one, washing carpets. I also wanted to wash new and old houses. Actually, anybody who had an issue of washing their houses, especially the new ones that were being occupied, they would call me and I would do it at a cheaper price. Laundry work, I was also willing to do laundry work services for these people at a nearby place, at a nearby area, clothes and also blankets, and also any other laundry work that people wanted to be done. Now, the key resources that I actually needed was washing machines. I also needed a machine to wash carpets and also for the cars. I needed a location or a place, which I already had, and also the workers, people who do the work on me or for me. Now, how would I make money? My money would come from the commissions that I would charge or the amount of money, the margins that I would get after washing and delivering the carpets, clothes, and also blankets for the people. And also some fee from Mama Fua, especially the ones that would get jobs for them. I would actually connect them with people who wanted those services to be offered. Now, the key partners in my business would be the water company because I needed water, Kenya Power because of electricity, detergent selling companies because I needed detergents for washing, and also the county government because of licenses. My main cost structure would be the cost of machine, cost of the location if I had to pay for the location, and also the cost of the workers, especially when I'm starting. So now that was the business model that I had in mind, actually. You can see the value, the benefits, you can see the customers that I was targeting, how to get the customers, the activities, the key resources, and also the key partners. Now, when I drew this, the next thing that I needed to do was now to start. And I think that is the hardest part that many people go through. But because I already had a place or a location, it was easier for me to start. But immediately I started, what happened is that the customers started growing the business. How did they grow the business? By telling me many other things or services that they were looking for in my business. And I think that is what I've always been talking about, and that is how you grow the business. Now, if you look at the business model, it's a very simple thing, especially when it comes to seeing the whole idea that you want to implement. And it also helps you to actually see whether you have all what you need before you start. Now, if you compare it with the business plan, you can see the business plan is a bit more complicated because it is an implementing document. So anytime you want to start something, I would recommend that you start draw a small business model for yourself. So thank you very much. And I do hope that that session will also help you. So thank you very much.